won't wow you with its design, or blow you away with its spec sheet either. But if you're into selfies, the phone's dual selfie camera setup might spark your interest. The Xperia XA2 Ultra looks a lot like Sony devices you may have seen in the past, with its round sides and flat top and bottom. It's a very familiar and even tired look, but it retains its class regardless. What's new, however, is the addition of a fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone, right where the user's index finger is expected to naturally rest. As the name implies, the Xperia XA2 Ultra carries a rather large display, 6 inches to be exact. If extra large phones aren't your thing, Sony also has the 5.2-inch Xperia XA2 to satisfy your mid-range tastes. Inside the phone, we have a Snapdragon 630, which appears to handle everyday tasks with ease, though heavy gaming could prove more challenging. The XA2 Ultra comes with 4GB of RAM as opposed to the smaller XA2, which has 3. The front-facing dual-camera arrangement is a key selling point for the XA2 Ultra. A 16-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization is your primary selfie shooter, while a secondary 8-megapixel wide-angle camera is available for those times when you need to fit more faces in the frame. No bokeh effects are available though, but a front-facing flash can be triggered in low-light situations. As for the regular camera at the back, Sony has picked its renowned 23-megapixel sensor, which promises strong low-light performance. This shooter supports 4K and 120 frames per second slow-motion videos.